I won't be long, ne? Ngizokhuluma about i-retail. Guys, lapha e-retail we suffer ngendlela enzima, and abantu bakusafarisa knowing well ukuthi no, when you can't go anywhere. Because why? Because you need the job, right? Because why? Because when you need imali. So when you will tolerate every bad treatment that they give you, fine. Mina kadla ngisebenza khona, I work 6 to 3 or 7 to 4, ne? I don't know if the lighting is fine, but guys, mina i-contract yami ithi anginayo overtime, right? But I work overtime. I can work overtime like the whole week. Yeah, I can work overtime the whole week, Monday to Friday. Instead of knocking off 4, I'll knock off for 6, I'll knock off for 7, and no ukuthi lawo ma-hour lawo angeke baze bangikholele wona. And when you leave isitolo ne ngesikhathi leso uhambe ngaso uye ekhaya, guys, uthola warning kusasa futhi njengami. So last written warning last time anginikile. When you have to go and eat, it's a problem. When you go and eat, ayekuhambe ngesikhathi. So last time, not so long ago, ne, singena u-6 ekuseni, right? Fine, you're right. When you working a shift ka 6 to 6, guys, you have to knock off 3, and guess what? It's from 7, and mind you, after 3 you won't be paid. You won't be paid for those hours. Because why? Your contract says you don't make overtime. There will be days where you will be asked to stay in the shop. Maybe, for example, maybe visit and stuff. Then you will be asked to 7 day and overtime. But still, that day you won't even get paid for. So thina ke indaba yethu akusindaba yokuthi you will be asked ngelanga elithile ukuthi uhlale. Thina into every day. Guys, into every day ukhona ukushayisa ngo-7 ebusuku instead of 4, ukhona uhamba ngo-7 ebusuku instead of 3. Guys, imagine working extra 4 hours for nothing. Imagine working the full 4 hours knowing ukuthi they won't even pay it. And when you try to talk to our manager and say, why can't we leave and do this tomorrow morning, they'll tell you, no, you can't do that. And then they'll even ask you to come to work kusasa ekuseni at 6 o'clock, an hour early, for you to finish your work. And ufike ngalo 6 lo ekuseni, guys, hour early, but still you won't go ngesikhathi uhambe ngaso. So, and remember, guys, when you're not happy, expanding, like, like, you can't even cope. Have you ever wake up every day in the morning before you have to go to work and cry, kneel down and cry, okay, spirit, be strong, like, cleaner, go and do this. But you know, when you get there, you have to go to the bathroom and cry, guys, you'll break down. Because be lapha. Guys, lapha ungathi uyodla uzohamba late. If ever you hamba uyodla and uhamba hour lonke, mobuya wethola umsebenzi omningi abakufakela wona, and wathi lo muntu lo wafaka solo umsebenzi uyazi ukuthi angeke uzohambe ngesikhathi ngamabomu. Guys, you can't give me umsebenzi we 2 hours or we hour kuseli 5 minutes ukuthi isitolo sivalwe. No, kuseli 5 minutes mina ngichayise. And then ube nesibini sokusitshela emehlweni straight ukuthi I don't like women, I don't like ladies, I don't want to work nabantu besifazane, angifuni ukusebenza nani, but sisebenza naye. So last time ngabona okay, now fine, I can't handle this, and song has gone, but angeke ngikhulumele abanye abantu because maybe they are too strong. You understand? They've used to maybe I'm a situation that's so I'm 17, but guys, I've tried and angisakhoni. And mind you, mawuzoyela umsebenzi guys, irent uyibhadala kanjani? Ukudla uyodla like mawuyekela umsebenzi uzoqoshwa vele emqashweni, uzolamba like kanjani? So they do this ngamabombas ukuthi no, these people need this money, so whatever isishoyo or whatever bad treatment esibanika yona, they will tolerate it and they bazoyenza because they don't have a choice. So lastly ngithi mina, okay, I'm not happy in this department, I need to move and work on another department, maybe I'll feel better even though it's still the same shop. And then they said okay, it's fine. And then until today, I never moved out of that department that I'm working at. And apparently, if one of the lady leaves going to department, they already have a person from another shop, while mina I've been begging for that, while I've been paying for that position, while I've been begging for that space. But guys, there's someone of far from another shop, we am later with us feel a certain position lapha esitolo sami while mina ngikhona, and I did beg. Guys, lapha kithi akudliwa. Guys, lapha kithi awukhona ukungaye lunchini for 4 days yonke ilandelana. So like uzojika nesikhaftini sakho, uzosenda isikhaftini ekuseni, wake up early, very early to make your lunch, but then ngeke uyidle, uzojika nayo because mama liyodla bakithi no, you can't uhambe uyodla umsebenzi omningi kakhulu. That person guys, I'm sure it's 4 or 5 hours, she always eats, that woman. And what's so sad about this, the store manager and the front admins, like every manager in the store, they know ukuthi sitreatwa gabi kanjani. But okay guys, even the store manager anyeke ayenze next ngalo. It became worse when this other lady, store manager, that woman begaslick guys, but begaslick for into a corner, and that woman won't let you work overtime for. She will tell you, "Good guys, hambani, you'll do this tomorrow." And then since we're hamba and guys, like everything is worse, like it's worse. So in other words, guys, like okay, last they told them I'm a security search, they can't go and eat because that woman eats, guys. That woman eats 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning. Buy guys, that woman buys food. She will eat and then tell you what you can't go and eat. You have to work. And now I'm tired and resigning if ever ngiyayeka ngiyophila kanjani. Guys, even the regionals, abantu abakhulu, they'll find you holding a scanner after 2 hours uchayisile. They know which we knock off for, but they won't even dare and ask why are you still here, because they know which we knock off for, but they don't give a fuck also. All they need send the shop ibe right so that the shop can bring more customers in Tonton, and bona they have to get their bonuses. Which when under pressure, they don't even care. So she's strong, like anything strong when those people were to retail for years and years. Like they are strong, and I so wish Nakon was strong until I get a better job or another job, cause mina guys new one, like I'm on my own. I don't have parents, like I'll rely on someone who's on assist. No, there's no one. So if ever I resign, what will be the plan? So out of 100%, I've worked overtime maybe 70%, and I never get paid for that. And then if our contract says there's no overtime, why usebenzisa yona? And why ama manager athula abona ukuthi this is wrong? Kuze ama department ukuthi guys, why can't you leave? It's for numbers khatpan. They know ukuthi we've been treated gabi. So guys, when I can be a waitress, I can be a bottle girl, I can be a nanny, I can be a cleaner, guys, anything, like any job, it's fine. I'm willing ukusebenza as long as I'm not working for that shop anymore. I can't.